Well, I had my old truck. Now I got a new one. Moved out to dad's house. Moved in with the moms. Worked hard. Got me another truck. Haven't done nothing too much to it besides just washing it. I gotta get up underneath the, wash underneath that. Got a toolbox for it. Got the hitch, the towing, lights, hookup. Tires kinda bald, tires coming soon. Still got the stock exhaust, so that's changing real soon. They did have the cover, but it was all broken, so I just broke it completely off. It's a little fading, nothing too serious. Oh, best part, it's not like all the rest that it works.
Got going on, I
Gotta
gotta
deep clean
represent.
the carpet. It has some speakers in it, but they took them out. All the windows locked and all that. Stock rounds, they're old. They're 14 years old, so they got some wear and tear. My hood has a lot of wear and tear. As you can see, missing paint. Got some rust going on. Stock bumper, stock headlights, stock everything. It's fully stocked. Besides the radio. And another look in the back of the bed. You know, gotta have your Capri Sun. Always carry a little bit of extra gas. Never know. Could run out. My back of my bed is like extremely dirty, but I plan on stripping it down and just spraying some type of bed liner in it. Again, I got the hookups and all that. Waiting on my license plates to come in. It is two-wheel drive. It isn't a four-wheel drive. It got 261,000 miles. You know, 19, work at Walmart. Don't have the most money, but it's nice. It's gonna give me to work, get me back home. Oh, that's from walking around. You know, basic deep dish. Now it's just open. I don't really smoke cigarettes, so that's gonna be no use for me. I don't really use these two either, cause on the radio it has for my USB and my aux. The best thing about this truck when I bought it, up here, came with some glasses or some shades, some knockoff Ray-Bans. That's really the best thing about this truck. Oh, and if you didn't know, it's only on because with all Chevys, you can just pull out your key. Watch when it started. Let me show you. Alright, you hear it's running. I know I need to fill up, but you just and it's still running. Still running and everything. You just slide the key right back in. All the lights work. Oh, and this light, I don't think I bought a lemon. That's just because the gas cap, it got the wrong gas cap on it. That's the only reason why that's on. I already went to AutoZone and got them to scan it for me. And yeah, other than that, I think it's a nice little truck. I'm gonna serve my purpose. Start making more YouTube videos. Be able to make more YouTube videos off of this. Oh yeah, and I also got a little shit on my keyring. You know, 4-wheeler gone. Everything that was on my channel before here, I've lost. Well, not exactly lost, but it's no longer quote unquote mine anymore. So there is that bad news. It's semi bad, but at the same time, if I want it again, I'll go buy it again, cause it's just money. I got a good job now, work at Walmart. So, you know, basic teenager. Gotta have some type of job, some type of income. So it's really like simple stuff. But I'll just be making videos off my new phone, cause when I left the house, everything was no longer mine, just the money that I had in my bank account. Bought new clothes, all that. It was straight. I learned the meaning of hard work, cause I work hard for this little truck. Well, next video I make should be me putting tires on it or going to do a full tune-up on it, because I haven't done a tune-up yet, like the oil change, oil filter, air filter, and all that. But yeah, and I'll start making videos so y'all see Fat out.
They ass is stuck. Yo. What the fuck? Oh my God.